Hi guys, welcome back to Elitta Entertainment. My name is Elitta and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making breakfast. It is currently 11:56. I know you might think this is in the afternoon, but this coronavirus thing has been going around and we've been quarantined and we have to stay in. So yeah, and my sleep schedule been kind of messed up, so yeah, that's why I woke up at this time. But I'm gonna be making my mom breakfast to surprise her. It's not Mother Day, but you know, I think we should just still show our moms appreciation because they work very hard. And yeah, why wouldn't? So I have my eggs set. I'm gonna be making eggs and bagels. So I have my eggs set. I seasoned it with this. You already know black people like to season their food, period. And I put some cheese, not a lot, and yeah, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm about to take my butter. I'm gonna put it in my pan. If you're not 11 and up, do not try this at home. If you're not 11 and up and you want to cook on the stove, have a parent near you or a guardian or something. Anybody, any adult. Well, not a stranger though. But yeah, I'm about to do this. Let's start. Okay, and now we're about to put our eggs in there. So I just put the eggs in there. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let me show you what it looks like. So yeah, I'm about to toast some bagels. And this is the cream cheese I'm gonna use. This is a good cream cheese. Like, this is really good. Strawberry Philadelphia cheese. I recommend you guys to use that because it tastes very good. So, we're about to toast it. I already toasted mine, so I'm gonna put it over there. So yeah, we're about to toast it. Let's get that started. This is the bagels we use. It's the last one. Hopefully you guys are staying inside, being safe during your quarantine, because this coronavirus is getting very serious. So hope you guys are staying inside. So I just put it in the toaster, as you can see, and I'm about to toast that bad boy. Okay, now it's time to focus on our eggs. Okay, I'm going to lay my camera right here, as you guys can see me, and I will be making the eggs. I'm going to lay it right there. So let's start on our eggs. Beautiful. I'm gonna lower it down. We're actually gonna lay our camera right here. Perfect. You guys can see eggs are cooking. And I'm gonna get my mom's plate ready. I did not add too much seasoning because nobody wants diabetes up in here. I'm gonna add one more egg.